What if I told you that out of the 7,641 islands in the Philippines, there's one place to see 100 of them all in one go? Come find me in Pangasinan. Where you can find the one place to make your water ventures come true. Everywhere you turn lies a unique surprise. Nature becomes your umbrella. Waterfalls are calming. And the death pool gives a surge of adrenaline. How about a throwback? Before you kick back and relax on a river cruise. Next thing you know, you're making your own salt. Or bonding with bangus. So if there's one thing you've always wanted to do, maybe you'll find it here. It's time to find the one.